Namaste, my name is Dio and welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about the difference between meditation and being meditative, okay, and the importance of being meditative. Now the best way to understand this is ask yourself this: as a child, was crawling your main focus, main intention, that I have to crawl? No, every child crawls so that they can walk to the nearest thing that they can hold and then get up. Okay, you get up, you take your first step so you can start walking. You start walking so you can start running. Eventually, you can walk and run to a pace according to what works for you. Okay, depending on what situation you are in. So crawling was never your intention. Okay, similarly, meditation is a practice we do to be meditative and to stay meditative, which when you translate it in Sanskrit, meditation means dhyan, which means awareness. Okay, so you practice awareness or you practice dhyan so that you can always be aware of the fact that you are a spirit in a human form, experiencing this world through your five senses. Okay, so now when you come across a lot of people who very proudly walk around announcing it to the world that they've been meditating for 10 years and 20 years and 15 years and 5 years, and these are the people who will come across a beautiful lake and out comes the yoga mat. You know, these are the people that will be walking in front of a mountain and first thing they can think of is, I wish I could meditate over here. And some of them even start meditating over there. New Year's Eve, 12 o'clock in the night, first thing they want to do is they want to start meditating. They meet like-minded people and they say, okay, let's sit down together and start meditating. Okay, so there's something really wrong going on over here. If you've been meditating for so long, it's not a practice anymore. It's become a habit for you now. Okay, it's just become a habit. It's not taking you to a stage where you've become meditative, or you're now in that awareness. Okay, so for 1 hour or for those 15-20 minutes or half an hour, you're all in that meditation and focusing. But when you're out in the day-to-day life, you've completely forgotten about the practice that leads to that meditation, the meditative state of being. Okay, so if you are meditating, if you're doing that practice over a period of time, then something is not right. Something is not going right in that practice of yours. It's important you start practicing meditation in your day-to-day life now. Okay, so once you've figured out, okay, this is what meditation is, this is what my practice is, where I need to keep my focus on my breath. There are loads of ways of meditation, okay, but the bottom line comes down to getting your focus to one thing. Okay, and the eventual result is just that awareness that you are a spirit in a human form. So tomorrow when you come across any good, bad or ugly situation, you're always in that awareness, you're always in that center. Okay, so you can control your emotions according to how you want it and not let your emotions control you. Okay, you're not doing meditation to leave all your emotions, but to control them. Okay, so the best way now you need to start doing is, if let's say you've been there practicing meditation for 6 months now you need to start taking it to your day-to-day life. Okay, for example, if you've gone for your work, be in that awareness there. Do you need a yoga mat and cross leg and in that Gyan Mudra to sit there to say that, okay, I am in that awareness now that I am a spirit in a human form sitting in my office? No, you could be doing your work. You could be on your laptop. It just takes 1 second to come back to that state of being and then get back to your work. Okay, similarly, you go out anywhere. Let's say you've gone out to a coffee shop. You sit in that awareness. Try doing this alone. Don't go there with your friends and all. Sit there just by yourself. Order your coffee or your tea. Just sit there, be around the traffic and be in that awareness. Okay, when you're amongst your friends, be in that awareness. Talk to them, have fun. Don't sit there being quiet that, okay, now I'm in my awareness, so I'm like all shut and I'm concentrating on my breath and that thought that I'm a spirit in a human form. No, that's just a fraction of a second it takes. So you could be doing your thing, have your drink, have your smoke, be talking to your friends, have a good time, laugh around, dance around. But then again, come back to that thought that, okay, I am a spirit in a human form. You could be sitting in your house watching television, watching your favorite movie, your favorite program, but just come back to that realization again. Be in a place where you can see a lot of traffic going on, a lot of chaos. okay, and then come into that realization. See how difficult it is then. It's very easy to be in a peaceful lake and just saying that, okay, you know, you're meditating. No, do it when, be in that awareness when there's chaos around you. Find your peace where there is chaos. In a peaceful place, being peaceful, there's no big deal in it. The place is providing you peace, okay, but how do you create your own peace when you're in that traffic jam, you're in that chaos, you're amongst people who are fighting, going nuts, you're watching something that is really bad. Be in that awareness then. That is the exact practice of meditation that leads you to this awareness. Okay, so you need to bring your practice out of the yoga mat, out of that peaceful place, out of that room of yours or wherever you're doing it, and start doing it in the real world. Okay, so it is as good as saying, now that from crawling you've reached to walking and running, now you come to a beautiful lake and you start crawling over there. Do you do that? No. You reach a nice mountain and the first thing you start doing is you start crawling over there. No, you start walking around. You make use of that place that you've come to. You appreciate that place. You don't close your eyes and not appreciate that place and you try connecting it. No, you can walk around over there and still have your connection. Okay, so meditation was always a practice so that you can be meditative. Don't forget that. So whoever is telling you that, okay, I meditate for 10 years, just tell them it's a habit. Get rid of that habit. You're not growing. It's like somebody very proudly saying, I've been in this first standard for 10 years, 20 years, and people are getting in awe of them. My God, this person meditates for like 20 years. There's something going wrong, dude. You're not doing it the right way then. The reason behind meditation is to be meditative. The reason behind dhyan, awareness, is to always be in that awareness. Okay, so please try this out and do it for the right reasons. Take your meditation out of your comfort zone, be out in the open, do your regular things, and then keep your awareness. Okay, so if you like this video, if you've understood this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and till I see you again, have a good life. Namaste.